हेलो एवरीवन, स्वास्थ्य पाठशाला में आप सभी का स्वागत है। पाठशाला में हम अभी तक देखते आ रहे हैं हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर हेल्थ। हेल्थ इज़ अ रियल वेल्थ। आज आपके साथ एक फैमिली है जो आपको बताएगी कि उन्होंने अपनी रियल वेल्थ का कैसे ध्यान रखा, यानी खुद का ध्यान रखना, खुद से प्रेम करना और खुद की जर्नी में कितने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ भी बने रहना और कंसिस्टेंटली अपने ऊपर काम करना, अपनों सपनों के लिए, अपने ड्रीम्स के लिए और अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ कैसे सिंक्रोनाइजेशन बनाए रखना, खुद को प्रेम करना और अपने स्वास्थ्य को हमेशा स्वस्थ रखने का एक कमिटमेंट देना। आइए मिलते हैं ऐसी एक यूनिक फैमिली से जो अपने आप में इंडिविजुअली खूब प्रेम करती है और दूसरों को भी हमेशा प्रेम करती है। मिलते हैं ऐसी एक फैमिली से। थैंक यू।
Hello, I'm Nupur Datta, and I've come to share with you all a little about myself, a little about the journey I've been through. For me, life has been a merry-go-round. I'm happy-go-lucky, always wanting to smile, have fun, laugh, and be at peace. I never really thought about a specific goal or focus in life. I just led life as and when and how it came. I just walked along and along with others in the path, never thinking that there should be any specific aim which I should be focusing on or which I should be working towards. But gradually this kind of seemed to not work in my favor because things seemed to fall out of place, and the main thing which fell out of place was my health, and along with it my mental well-being, my happiness. And so at one point I was in a very shattered condition where I did not really know what to do. So after that, going from one place to another, thinking of asking help from many people, many institutes, brought me to one point where I understood that my mental strength, my mental health, my mental well-being is the most important for me, which will give me a focus, and the focus will help me aim, and the aim will make me reach my goal. That is when I heard about Trupti ma'am. We came across Trupti ma'am and Pooja Wellness, and she helped me go through a regime, a 2-day session, which I was totally not in favor of because I always thought कि हाँ कोई 2 दिन का सेशन होगा जिसमें वर्कशॉप होंगे, कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ होंगे, that cannot change anybody's lifestyle or thinking. But I thought कि चलो बहुत कुछ करके देखा है, let me give this also a try, and I did the session, and I wouldn't say I immediately transformed, but it definitely kindled a thought in me, rekindled actually what I had suppressed, the urge to live life to the fullest. And I think gradually by understanding and following the steps ma'am had told me, made me do, I slowly and steadily started rediscovering myself, and I discovered that I was gaining my mental strength, and my mental strength helped me get a little stable. And with that stability I started understanding that when I give myself priority, I have given everybody priority but not myself. But when I knew that I am the priority, when I get things, when I get myself on the right track, that is when I can help my kid, my family and people around me. And my problem, my health issue was I was tremendously overweight. I had reached a heavy weight of 86 kilos at one point, and I had high diabetes. I had all the kind of deficiencies you name. I had low hemoglobin. I had very low calcium, ferritin, iron. Everything was low. My bones were weak. I loved to dance. I could not dance. I could not even walk properly. So gradually with the journey, I started taking care of my diet. I started initially I was hospitalized also, and after the hospitalization, it dawned on me that no, this has to stop. I started my diet. Then after slowly, gradually, I started doing walks from 2 kilometers to 4 kilometers to a 8-kilometer daily walk. And after that, I started losing my body fat, and I started weight training, which gave me a lot of strength. And today I am here at I've reduced from that 86 to 69.3, and I have targeted a 55 kg, which is again an aim which I want to achieve. And this could have been possible only because of the mental strength that I gained, and the thing that giving yourself priority is the most important thing, and after that everything else falls in place. So thank you so much, and I hope that I can inspire some of you to think a little differently. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tanisha Datta. I am 12 years old, and do you know, whenever I want something, I make a book. In that book, I write whatever is my goal or whatever I want, and magically it becomes true. And this way, I have written many things, and it somehow becomes true, and that's why I call it the magic book.
A few words about myself. I am Saurav Datta. By profession, I am into the training and development function in the human resource department, and I am working with global MNC, and it's of course a big responsibility, like many of us today in the corporate world, looking after markets in India as well as the Southeast Asia and some of the global markets on the Europe and Asia, rest of Asia. So it's a very typical corporate life, I would say, where we have lot of numbers to achieve, and we have in all this lockdown and virtual world and online systems, we have converted our 8 hours into 24 hours of work. And like probably with many of you and in our family also, it's one of the biggest challenges is we don't know when our personal life has started and ended, and when our work life has started and ended. We are more comfortable when we are fulfilling our responsibilities, and when we talk of responsibilities, I think many times we think work is our responsibility, because after all we are getting paid for it, and we feel responsible towards an employer who is giving us the monthly salary paycheck. There are other responsibilities also, I think all of us have, and it's up to us what we consider as our responsibility. And I think one of the reasons why we are sharing a small story today from our family is to talk of this transformation where we came to discover what is responsibility. Responsibility is beyond the salary paycheck what we get. It is what we pay our focus and say, this is important in my life. This is something without which I don't want to spend a day. I don't want to spend a week or a month or a year. That is my responsibility. And for that I may or may not be paid in money, but there is certainly some kind of payback. For example, if I am taking care of my daughter's study and I am putting time into her studies, it is my responsibility, and my reward is her doing well. So when I understand that there is some payback, I find that to be my responsibility, and I try to fulfill. Change is something which is a very small word when you compare it with a word called transformation. Because transformation, according to me, is change manifold. It's a huge multiplication of the word change. Change itself for any of us, I'm sure you would have experienced, for any of us, for me also, has not been easy. Change is something which is tough. It makes me uncomfortable. It makes me very very stubborn at times, and I think I have been right, and today suddenly I have to do something new. But transformation is when you are trying to do that change over a period of long time. and you are trying to be consistent with it. And second part is also there might be many people who would be questioning you, why this change? Something is happening in your life, you are trying to achieve some goal, earning more money, you're planning to go abroad, all kinds of questions start coming which is like poking you, and then the change is let go. But if you don't let go, I think that is where we discover transformation. So here we are, myself and my little family here, and we are here to share what is been the small transformation journey our family has been through. And I'm very happy that we are able to talk about it to all of you, and we really and sincerely hope that somewhere it might spark an imagination in your mind, and it would kickstart some transformation in your life as well. Thank you, Swasth Pathshala.
There's a message from Swasth Pathshala. Swasth raho,
Mast raho.
स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो. Thank you.